Hello friends, welcome to Sundays with Selma. Today I am going to prepare Kerala style vegetable stew. Fresh vegetables cooked in coconut milk with whole spices enhance the flavors of the stew. This stew is vegan, creamy and delicious. We need the following ingredients: potato, small cubes, 1 cup. Carrot, small cubes, 3/4 cup. Green beans, small cut, 1/2 cup. Green peas, frozen, 1/2 cup. Cauliflower, small cut, 1/2 cup. Whole spices: cinnamon stick, 1 piece. Cloves, 4 numbers. Cardamom, 4 numbers. Whole black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon. Shallots, thinly sliced, 8 numbers. Ginger, thinly sliced, 1 tablespoon. Green chilli, 4 numbers. Curry leaves, 2 sprigs. Coconut milk, thin, 2 cups. Coconut milk, thick, 1/2 cup. Water, 1/2 cup. Salt to taste. Coconut oil, 1.5 tablespoon. Heat the coconut oil in a pressure cooker. Add whole spices and saute for 1 minute. Add the ginger, green chilies, small onions, 1 sprig of curry leaf and saute for few seconds. Add salt to taste. When the onions turn transparent, add potatoes, green beans, carrot, then add 1/2 cup of water and saute for few seconds and close the pressure cooker. Pressure cook for 1 whistle, then turn off the flame. When the pressure is gone, open the pressure cooker and add frozen green peas, cauliflower, 2 cups of thin coconut milk and mix well. Cook for at least 15 minutes in medium flame till the gravy becomes thick. To this, add thick coconut milk and stir well. Cook for 1 more minute. Garnish with the curry leaves and mix well. Our delicious Kerala style vegetable stew is ready. Transfer to a serving dish and serve hot. Our delicious vegetable stew is ready. If you like this recipe, please share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.